Hello viewers, my name is Karthik Gaur. I'm a Vedic astrologer, Vastu consultant and a Jyotish teacher based in Dubai. The topic of discussion today is coronavirus, the symptoms, the remedies, when do we see an end, etc. So I just want to tell the viewers that I have been talking about how tough 2020 is going to be way back at the end of 2019. The symptoms were very clear right from December 2019 when there was an eclipse, and there was also an eclipse towards January of 2020. So 2020 was right between an eclipse to the either side, and that was my main pretext when I constantly wrote about how important or how tough 2020 is going to be, especially for the aviation industry, food industry and entrepreneurs in general. Now, coming to coronavirus, the eclipse happened between two specific signs called as Gemini and Sagittarius. Now, Sagittarius and Gemini are generally the 3 and 9 axis, which technically also rules the food. Sagittarius is said to be a very important sign for chef as well. And this was one of the main reasons which is turning out to be that there was a food contamination, or probably bats were consumed, or bats sort of brought in the contamination, or the contamination happened from wildlife, etc. Nonetheless, there is a research which is going on, but from my little knowledge, I am very sure that that could be a very important root cause for the epidemic to start. Okay, now the second most important thing is Sagittarius, which was actually going through the brunt, is ruled by a planet called as Jupiter. And Jupiter in its current transit in Capricorn is with two very malefic planets, Saturn and Mars. And Saturn and Mars together cause a yoga which is called as Yama Yoga. Yama Yoga specifically means the god of death. And in a way, what we are seeing from the amount of deaths, etc., which is happening globally, we are no doubt that the god of death truly has been activated. Now the question is, what do we see in the New Year's chart? Because there was a New Year or a Vedic New Year which happened a month back. And the New Year chart also is looking quite not so good, if I might say, with a Kala Sarpa Yoga, which is saying that most of the time people will be under the locks. And that is exactly what is happening. Technically, we all feel like we are in a jail. And that particular Kala Sarpa Yoga is only breaking post first week of September. So we can say that till first week of September, movement won't be natural, or movement won't become normal. Okay, when I say normal, it only means that the flights will start, but but the Kala Sarpa Yoga is technically showing that masks and sanitization, washing hands and social distancing, etc. will be the norm for most part of the year. However, the good thing is in the first week of May, technically 4th of May onwards, there is a transit of Mars which is happening. So Jupiter to that level will become much more in a better place to give us a remedy post 4th of May. So what I feel is, from after 3rd of May, which is 4th of May onwards till about 15th of May, 20th of May, is when we can get a realistic sort of a remedy to the whole issue. What I mean by realistic remedy is not that we'll get a vaccination, but at least we'll get some respite, we'll get some ray of hope that there is some level of conclusive evidence in terms of where this virus can end. So that will be a great ray of hope. The curve will start coming down. I predicted, in fact, in my last column as well, that the curve will be very bad between 15th of March to about 1st of May. And that is exactly what has happened. And post 1st of May is when I feel the things will better up. So I hope things will become better, and stay safe, stay at home, and please maintain the social distancing, and by God's grace, everything will be fine. Thank you.